Hello and welcome to this video. My name's David Thorne. This is the 7th video in my C programming playlist. In this video we're going to be talking about expressions and how we to understand expressions and what expressions are in programming languages. I'm going to say programming languages. Okay, so with that said, let's get started. Now, this is not really specific to programming languages. You could just use expressions in kind of like algebra and lots of mathematics and so on. But let's just keep it together with programming. So first of all, we have here three variables, x, y, and z. All right. And we are declaring and kind of like initializing them with indeterminate values as well. All right. And next here, we're saying that x is equal to, so we are assigning the value of y to z, right? And y is being assigned the value of z, right? And z is being assigned the value of the expression 12 plus 15. So this is an expression here, all right? And this here is a statement, all right? And this here is a compound statement block, right? So it's a compound statement. So it's multiple statements all built up to make a compound statement inside of a function. So it's a compound statement inside of a function. So this is an expression, just this one bit here. And this could be anything. This could be, is like 2 is more than 3. That's an expression. 2 is then like 10 mod 2 is another expression as well, and is then 4 equal to 2 is another expression too. So anything that is like evaluating something is an expression. Yeah, 5 minus 2 is an expression, 6 times 8 is an expression, and everything, yeah, like I said, anything that is evaluating, like a predicate or something, is an expression. And expressions go on the right hand side of an assignment operator, but expressions can go elsewhere too, and they can be evaluated. But so this is then like 12 plus 15, I believe I had in the beginning. Anyway, so as you can see here, I've printed out the values of this, and we see that x has the value of 27, y has the value of 27 as well, and z has the value of 27 here too. Now, if we just literally defined z here, right? So we print the value of x, and then we print the value of y, and then we set the value of z, and then we can say x is equal to y. We haven't set y yet, so we can say y is equal to z, and here we can print, we got print the value of x and y, yes. Now we print the value of, yes, that's right. Now we're going to print the value of, what did I just do there? Print the value of y now to see this. And let's put y there, and let's put x and y here. And now we can print the value of x here. And finally, we can print the value of z. Okay. And just to show you what is actually happening here. So let's compile and run the program. So as you can see here, the value of x is some crazy number. The value of y is another half crazy number. And then y, x, and z is 27 as previously. So let's just not compile it again, but let's just run it again. And you can see this x is receiving a different number here. And this goes back to the fact about indeterminate values upon initialization, all right? But you can see that we can assign them in any way that we want, all right? As long as you're making it clear what each value is being assigned to. But that was to do with the assignment operators. The expression is nothing more than this, and like I said, we could do divide by this, and we could then say is equal to 2, whatever. This would also be an expression. So it's going to evaluate the left hand side of this, it's going to evaluate the right hand side of it, and it's then going to compare a comparison operator both sides, and that is then going to give this then either 1 or 0, all right, because it's still an integer. Because yeah, anyway, this is another video, but this is an expression, all right, and we'll use it much more in later videos. But I just wanted to give you a quick understanding of what an expression is. But like I said, we're going to use it everywhere and always, all right. If we said that x plus 4 here is another expression, all right. Anyway, I hope you've got something out of this one video. It's not really a very difficult video, but it's still super important to understand what an expression is and how you declare, initialize variables with expressions or values and so on. Anyway, I hope you got something out of this video. Don't forget to give me a like or a dislike, and also comment and ask any questions below if you have any. That's it. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye. Ciao, ciao.